How can I get my boarding pass on my phone?
Hello and welcome. In this guide, we're going to talk about how you can get your boarding pass right on your smartphone. It's simple, efficient, and most importantly, it helps you avoid unnecessary contact and paperwork. The process may vary slightly between different airlines, but the overall steps should be quite similar.
What is a mobile boarding pass?
A mobile boarding pass is a digital version of a traditional paper boarding pass. It can be downloaded to your phone via an email link or through an airline's mobile app. It contains a QR code which can be scanned at the airport during security checks and while boarding the flight.
How to check in online?
Before getting your mobile boarding pass, you need to check in online. Most airlines allow online check-in 24 hours before the flight departure. To do this, 1. Visit the airline's website or open their app on your phone. 2. Look for the check-in option. 3. Enter your booking reference number and last name. 4. Confirm your details and submit the check-in request.
How to get your mobile boarding pass?
After successfully completing online check-in, you can get your mobile boarding pass. Follow these steps. 1. After check-in, look for an option to download boarding pass or send boarding pass to mobile. 2. Some airlines automatically email the boarding pass to the registered email address. 3. If the airline has an app, you can often find your boarding pass in the app itself. For this, go to My Trips or similar and locate your current journey. The boarding pass should be available there.
How to use the mobile boarding pass?
Using a mobile boarding pass is pretty straightforward. 1. At the airport, open the boarding pass on your phone. 2. Show the QR code at the security checkpoint and again at the boarding gate. 3. Make sure your screen brightness is high enough for the scanner to read the code. There you have it. With these easy steps, you can get your boarding pass right on your phone, making your travel experience smoother and safer. This method not only reduces paper usage but also minimizes the stress of keeping track of a paper boarding pass. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we wish you a pleasant flight. Safe travels!